Our package came in the mail.
Yeah, it's from Lofttek. They said they were going to be sending us a little surprise.
We have been waiting for this.
Yes, let's see what's inside.
Definitely.
It's alive! It's alive!
Hey guys, Chris and Gina here with
Hi.
Hollywood Haunter, and we have something exciting for you. This is an LED light ball sent to us from Lofttek, and this thing is amazing.
Yes, and it looks like you have it set up kind of like a little fortune teller scene. So Gina, tell me, what do you see?
Let's look inside. Ooh, I see a remote control.
Whoa!
Yes, it's got an on and off.
I see it too!
It's got an on and off switch. I have a dimmer going down and a dimmer coming up. It's got 16 different color options and it's got 4 modes. So you can have flash, strobe, fade, and smooth.
Wow. That's good.
Yeah.
That's real good. What else do you see, Gina? Tell me, tell me.
Well, let's see if I can find anything else.
Is my bike in the basement of the Alamo?
I don't see that.
Oh, dang.
Well, I do see 2 handy dandy attachments that if you turn your ball upside down, you can go ahead and twist that on and stake it.
Wow.
Or this one right here is the hanging attachment. So you just twist that on,
That's cool.
and the next thing you know, hanging.
That's really, really cool.
Yeah. The last one's coming in very strong.
It is? Am I gonna win any money? Am I gonna be a millionaire? Are we gonna get our Halloween decorations all up before the end of this month?
I don't see any of that in your future.
Oh.
But I do see this cord. It's a rechargeable ball.
Whoa.
That means no batteries, which is good.
Yeah, especially if it's gonna be waterproof.
Yeah.
And you can plug it in through here on the bottom. It's got this little rubberized little seal here. The steel seal's in the hole. Does it charge up pretty fast?
It does. It's got a 4-hour charge, but it lasts as pure white for 6 hours and for 12 hours RGB. You decide.
Whoa.
Yeah.
It takes 4 hours.
To charge.
It takes 4 hours to charge.
He's good.
Ooh. Everything I've done for you.
Well, that's one way you can play with your Lofttek ball.
I saw my baby crying hard as babes could cry.
What could I do?
Nobody knew.
Okay, enough.
What can
We're gonna be here 17 hours after doing this. Okay.
We need Harrison so we can throw him way up in the air. Woo! That'd be funny.
Yeah. Hey, hands off, hands off. Only I can.
Poor unfortunate soul.
So sad.
But true. You need this LED ball so you can put it in the water.
Can we help you?
Yes,
we can. You can't touch my ball.
Oh, sorry.
This is my crystal ball.
Sorry. It'd be cool if they put 3 little holes for bowling balls so you could be all like at the bowling alley all. Yeah, I know you're looking at me.
At a glowing bowling ball?
Yeah.
I want money
Lofttek.
for that.
Yes. All right. You told me what was in the ball, but you didn't tell me what this is.
My child, it's a green.
One of the things that Lofttek wanted us to do was to use this and have some fun this Halloween season.
Yeah, so let's go decorate and see all the different things we can do with it. Ghost with a cute face? Or spooky no-face ghost?
Ghost without a face. It can withstand light rain, heavy rain, rain that even floods in sideways, and sometimes even the upside down rain. If you want to leave your light inside the pumpkin, just glue the two halves together with hot glue, and then drill a hole at the bottom for your charging cord. Lofttek. This thing also makes a great floaty toy for Harrison's pool. We're out for a walk and we just saw this, and if you have any Halloween fence or columns that need a light on top, here's another idea that you could use your Lofttek LED. You could use it for a topper on your columns or Halloween fence.
What do you see, Harrison?
I see color.
What color?
It's blue.
Harrison, what do you think of that Lofttek light? Was that fun playing in the hot tub?
Yeah. It's so done.
Let's go again. Yeah, we definitely will. And it seems to still be working after it was kid tested and approved by Harrison. Also, there's a contest going on right now until the 6th of October. So if you want to win one of these, go ahead in the description box, follow the link, and go ahead and fill out the information, and you could possibly win.
Ooh. Also, too, there's a 15% discount if you go to their website and type in the word Haunter all the way through the end of October.
Yes, so stock up now so you can party later. Harrison, can you say please subscribe?
Please subscribe.
Yeah, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. We do a lot of fun stuff on here all year round. And if you guys want to tell us what you would do with your Lofttek ball, go ahead and comment below. All right, happy Halloween, everyone!
Happy Halloween.
Now time to party!
Hey. Hey, wait.
Now change this. Let's try to focus. Hey guys! guys, Chris and Gina here with Hollywood Haunter. It's all about me, Chris.
What do you think of this ball, Harrison?
Has feathers.
This is a sphere.
It's a pear.
It's a beer.
It's a dome.
He don't.
Dome.
And Baby said, dance magic dance, dance magic dance.